G-Squad, what's happening with y'all, baby? Tall Guy Car Reviews back with another legendary video, man. We about to do a lot today, man. But first and foremost, man, make sure you go to www.tallguycarreviews.com. Get your G-Squad to move approved merch ASAP. Unless you ain't G-Squad, then cool, I ain't talking to you. But if you G-Squad, go get that merch, baby, and enter the motorcycle giveaway that I'm doing on my website. There goes the Yamaha R1 thing right there. Boom, for all the subscribers that want to get a chance. That's my guy Jared right here. Say what's up, Jared. I'm telling them about the motorcycle giveaway. So anybody who want to get a chance to get that, go to my website www.tallguycarreviews.com and enter the raffle giveaway, man. But Jared, tell them what you do, baby.
I do auto detailing around Wisconsin and Minnesota.
There y'all go. So he's going to clean up the Hellcat and the Ram right now. So if you in Minnesota or anywhere in Minnesota, he'll come to you. Can't get away from there, boy. Boy doing too much. If he could come to you and wash your cars for you right at home. Obviously, you see we at the crib. All you need a little hose hook up and you good to go, man. Come out there. And he's crispy with it too. Get the brake calipers all the way right, the ribs. You know that matter when you got that brake dust. So Jared gets me together, man. I appreciate him. But you want to give him your website, your Instagram, anything?
Instagram is _auto detailing.
Boom, I'm going to pop up right there for you. So that way they get a full understanding. I see that hand. So that way they get a full understanding of what you got going on. You want to give your number? Anything else?
My number is 715-338-1663.
Boom, well, there y'all go. My guy Jared, man, he can come to you in Minnesota, man, get your whips together. You ain't got to wash nothing, man. So make sure you hit him up. He'll wash your car. So if he's cleaning the Hellcat and the Ram Reezy, y'all know what I'm taking right here. I'm taking my woman Jeep, man. You know what I'm saying? But first and foremost, we're about to head up to High Tech Motorsport. My guy Bart, everybody go subscribe to his YouTube channel. His channel just got monetized, man. So make sure you go to his channel, flood him, man. Get him up to 100,000 subscribers, man. And get my dog, Mr. Organic, to 100 subscribers, too. Mr._Organic with a K. Go subscribe. Get him up to 100,000 subscribers, man, if you rock with Tall Guy. And go to Bart's YouTube channel, High Tech Motorsport. Get him to 100,000 subscribers if you rock with the Tall Guy, man. But I'm about to go up there right now, man. So without further ado, I'll see you in a minute. All right, y'all. We are pulling up to High Tech Motorsport right now as we speak, man. Time to go and holler at my guy, Bart. I ain't seen him in a while, man. So, you know, I got to come up here and show love. King around there, messing with stuff, kicking the dang stuff in the back, man. But we are here at High Tech Motorsport, man. I'm going to have it pop up on the screen right here. Got a Jeep SRT. Make sure everybody go subscribe to High Tech Motorsport, man, because Bart up here be doing some legendary things, some legendary whips, man. All right, man, let's get up in here, man. King going to be happy to see Bart, and I know Bart's going to be happy to see King, man. So I know King knows exactly where we at right now, too, man. You ready? Come on, boy. Let's go. Go get him. Go get him, King. Where's your way? There he goes. Look how I do it. He's going to be happy to see you, too. What's up, Bart? How you feeling, baby? Having a blessed day? Nah, man. Say what's up to him, Bart. Tell him your channel again. Tell him to go.
Yep.
Tell him the good news.
Yeah, we finally got monetized. Only took him like 4 or 5.
It took him forever. My Tall Guy motorcycle reviews, the Big Legendary, because I turned it to the Big Legendary family. Okay. Now it's to the family vlogs. Yeah, they still ain't monetized that one yet. So since yours is, because I think you got to your watch hours before me or after. Now, you might have got to it after.
Oh, I think it was before.
For really?
Well, I've been doing it forever.
They've been taking forever though, ain't they?
Brand new stuff, 1987 stuff. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah. No, but facts. They've been taking forever, and it's been a big complaint amongst all the YouTubers about getting monetized. I like that Jeep SRT right there, my man. Yeah, that's legendary. I like it. Come on, King. Come here. Look at King want to go in. He think he about to go hop in everybody's Jeep. Have a go, my man. Yeah, man, but we here at High Tech, man. Everybody go subscribe, man. But no, man, I've heard a lot of complaints about how long it's been taking new people, once they get past the watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, that haven't been getting monetized right away. Because it's been months since I started the other family vlog channel. And it still ain't monetized. But when it is one, don't skip no ass. So what do you tell them now, Bart, in every video?
Well, talk to Corey at Tall Guy Car Review. I mean, I'm just like,
stop it.
I'm the minor league dude. I mean,
no, you a legendary dude, Bart.
Yeah, don't skip the ads.
Don't skip the ads. Go to Bart's YouTube channel right now. Don't ever skip the ads, man. He doing legendary things, man. So what you got going on? What's some new builds and stuff you got doing?
Well, we got a Celine that blew the motor out of it. We're going to do a supercharged killer build in that. We just got the okay in that today. We're doing a 65 GTO, finishing that up today. Okay. That was done by a group that actually took the time when they allegedly restored the car to clean up all the old parts and just paint them and put them back on. So
wow.
So
a lot of work to dig out of there.
Oh yeah, we got it almost done now. We replaced a whole bunch of stuff, but it's amazing what the guys do.
Okay.
And we got 64 Impala SS, which is original 409 car, 4-speed, that somebody changed over to a 502 big block and an automatic. That's a mess.
Yep.
It's got all new front end parts going in, rear end, shocks, suspension. The axles were worn out of it. The tires are bad. The brakes don't work. Motor doesn't run very good. That wasn't set up correctly. Transmission doesn't shift. Body looks good.
Right.
That's the only thing I don't do. So we're chewing through on that one. We got a Camaro in here that's got a big bad blower on it, a 98 or 9, something like that, with a big motor in it that was making 600 plus horse to the wheels with 21 pounds.
What's going on, John?
And we're doing that old Chevy truck with a chip today after we fixed the intake manifold. It's a 91, it's a 65-ish or 70 Chevy truck, original patina on the body, and then it's got a Suburban fuel injected setup underneath.
Okay, so you're going crazy.
We got a lot to do.
Yeah, you know what I told Bart the other day? So we was at Bart's house the other day, and we were on the boat doing a little fishing, and it started raining on us, right?
Yeah.
Bart, my guy, like just hanging out with Bart.
Every time you show up, it rains.
Yeah.
How does
I know
that
it's
work
crazy,
out?
but we supposed to go fishing this Sunday.
Really?
Crack of dawn fishing. And Bart caught this huge muskie. No, it was I was like, man, I never caught a muskie, so I always wanted to catch a muskie. I like fishing for northern's bad. I like fishing for all them big game fishes, but I haven't yet to caught a muskie yet. But I know you're out there. I'm gonna get one. Tell me I'm gonna get one, Bart.
He's gonna get one. It's gonna be fun as hell when he gets all excited. I'm gonna be taking a YouTube video of a guy screaming who's 6'11" in my
So
boat
wait,
going,
tell me, which is harder then? You think because that sturgeon I caught, I was a big ass sturgeon. It was like 50 pounds almost.
They're
I
different.
put a picture on my
fish.
Instagram, Tall Guy Car Views.
Yeah, the sturgeon's more like a kind of a lumpy type, big luggy type deal. Call it the Suburban of fish.
Okay.
Whereas the muskie wants to tail walk, get up on top of the surface, and they like to dive underneath the boat and twist around and try to get in the prop.
Okay.
They're a little more of a
Aggressive
kind of fish, you know.
Yeah. Okay.
They've done this before. They're all catch and release until you hit 50 some inches on Tonka, and 56 is the record.
I feel like you should just always put them back.
Well, let me tell you something. If I get the world record and they've measured up, I just assume I'll put it on Tall Guy Car View.
Well, I thought if you got the world record, you could just take the picture, weigh it up, and then stick it back in the water.
Yeah, you could.
Yeah, but a lot of people want to stuff his ass up, put him on the wall, huh?
No, I probably wouldn't do that. But, it'd be really tough for me if I get and remember, I'm using 6-pound test line, so I'm kind of using my walleye rod. I'm not getting carried away with a big killer rod, which this weekend I'm giving you that rod, that spare one of mine, so you get a chance to play.
Yeah, because I got some janky ass fishing poles.
Yeah, your fishing poles are pretty shitty. So we're going to fix it.
Hey, and I seen all the comments when we were fishing last time and I caught those 2 northers when we were at his house. And I got to go out there and make some more videos with that 1958 Belvedere. I have not yet to be out there, man. But stay tuned for all that, man. We just still doing a lot of unpacking with the house and stuff like that. But in that video, when I was fishing, people said I had my reel backwards and all that.
Oh, yeah, backwards, upside down. And
I'm a lot like how I am with the cars. I'm a lot that way with fishing, too.
Yeah,
I just don't really care.
We're going to get you my favorite. I've used these style of reels. It's a closed face. Some guys poo-poo those, but I set it up so that it does not have a drag. You have to let the handle go backwards to let line out. So actually the reel is just a storage unit for line.
Right.
And you use the rod up in the air, and you use the shock of the rod, and you just keep moving fish in. And if you pull them in, they come in. If they zig when you're not ready, they'll snap the line in a heartbeat. So you got to be a little careful with it. But that's the real way to.
So is there something you don't know, Bart? Because you know fishing, you know cars,
I don't know.
You know money.
I don't know women, and I don't know children.
Oh, well, I got that. I'm pretty good with that one. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, iron sharpened irons, baby. You know what I'm saying? Oh, hey, and I want to tell you while we're here, drag strip. So, in order to go to drag strip, you said you was going to go with me the first time.
Yep.
So, you got to get tires. So, what tires should we
drag
get?
radials again. We'll do the same ones that I burned into little piles of molten rubber. We'll get new ones of those, because that's the only thing.
The ones you may catch on fire.
That could have been me.
Yeah.
We'll probably end up, because we don't care about the what goes on with those tire sensors.
Yeah.
We'll probably use your new rims and put a wider tire on it, so the thing will hook up a little bit better, and then we'll go for
the 10.5 ones I have.
Yeah.
But I thought it'd be better. Remember we were talking about to get the hook up, so all them hating ass people on the YouTube in the comments can stop saying I ain't got 1,000 plus horsepower Hellcat when I do, right, Bart?
Yes.
Okay, so just relax, champ. But you said that in order to get it to hook up better, maybe to get like you said something about the sidewall to make it like hook up on a dyno to where you can show them.
Well, the dyno is just it has the same problem it always does. It's a 4,000-pound drum. It's a steel drum. It's got a surface on it that's kind of a crosshatch type deal. I can't get enough weight with enough tire on your car to get it to lock down. It just wants to spin the tires and end up with little balls of rubber everywhere.
Right, but I thought if I went with the little rim and the bigger tire.
Well, that's for drag racing. So that what happens is the actual sidewall squishes down and allows a little bit bigger patch front and rear and on the side. So
Yeah, Demonology, you was telling me about
called,
that. Remember I told you the black high-tech, the black Bart?
Yeah, he should come over and see me because I'm not going to Detroit.
Yeah, shout out to Demonology, man.
Hey,
go subscribe.
Demonology, come see me. We'll go ice fishing together. Corey wants to go ice fishing.
I don't think he's black though. We don't rock with the ice fishing, Bart. You know, we leave that to the Caucasians.
You would love ice fishing out there. That nice, great big 8.5 by 24 insulated. Big screen TV, camera in the water. You're watching fish coming in. We got a full kitchen set up and a bathroom. I mean, it's not exactly wrong.
Bart's been trying to convince me. Listen, Bart's been trying to convince me to go to this ice fishing thing. I said, listen, bro, I don't think the risk is worth the reward. I love fishing, but the risk ain't worth the reward to me because if you fall through the ice, you're cookies. Big Titanic, Jack and Rose. What's it, Jake and Rose? Remember he couldn't get on the door Titanic. You know.
Oh, it was 1922 and it was in the ocean with an iceberg.
But you talk about the middle of winter when it's negative 300 degrees here in Minnesota, dropping in the water. Yeah, I just don't think it's worth it.
I understand why I'm here because I got a freaking building I can't move for shit. I have no idea why you're here, dude.
Yeah.
I mean, you could go anywhere and do this, someplace warm, someplace fun.
Well, I love Minnesota, bro. This is our home.
Come visit. You can always come visit.
Maybe if I get big enough on YouTube, maybe. But
nice.
the money ain't clocking like that right now.
Got to go buy the old mansion on the lake that we want.
Yeah, the one you was talking about on the boat. The real G Squad gonna know that. Watch that video when I was on the boat with Bart. Y'all gonna know what house he talking about. 1 + 1 is 2. Do the math, multiply, divide it, then get back to us. Yeah. But the tires, you like that, right? That was legendary, right?
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's good, right? So tell them what tires. Okay, so we need 2 different sets of tires, obviously, right?
Well,
because one for the dyno.
No, we're gonna end up trying the drag radials. I'm gonna get the Mickey Thompsons.
Street SS's?
And get a wider one, yeah.
That's for the drag. That's for
drag strip, and we'll try it on the dyno one more time, trying to get to hook.
Okay.
I don't know how to strap it down. We got 4 straps. They're 5,000 pounds a piece. They're cross strapped. They're strapped downs. He's just sitting
he's just laying right there.
He's looking at the little.
Talking about King, I had to make sure I looked around, make sure he wasn't eating up nothing. You know what I mean? But yeah, go ahead, finish on them, Bart.
So we're going to go with that a little bit. We got 4 straps in the back holding it down. They're putting caissons in the ground, 4.5 feet, 20 inches in circumference. I got them strapped down as hard as I can with those 2.5 or 3-inch wide straps. It works for almost all vehicles with the exception of your car, and if some other really high horsepower had one that was making 2,000, it wouldn't hook up either. I just couldn't get it to hook. Even with great big drags on it and stuff like that. Right. It just won't get it to hook.
Right.
But we may have to take a little timing out to give you the big numbers, so I stop whining, I'll jack the timing back in so the car's even faster again. I don't know what to do. It just hits it so hard, it just spins the piss out.
When's if we just put the small rim with the big tire and then we go to the drag strip and then it gives us a time? That gives you a full understanding how much horsepower you got to be making to get that time, right?
If we can get it to hook up at the drag strip, the car is going to run a low 10 or a 9, just like a Demon, a high 9. It's just, we're moving 4,400 pounds of car with only tire that's about that wide. We need tire about this wide, and they won't fit in the wheel well. They won't fit in the car. They won't do anything.
Right.
It's just physics.
Yeah.
You know, in the class I got a D in, for God's sake.
Yeah, Max. Hey, listen, I told Bart, I said, only way I'm going to the drag strip if you go with me, bro. Yeah. That's what I told him. So, and Demonology said something to me because he do all the racing and all that with his Demon. He told me to have Bart hook up some tires and all that. He said he can't wait for the video where we go out to the drag strip. So
yeah, we'll go to the drag strip and we'll get this figured out yet before it gets too cold. I'm so busy now. I'm backed up for over a month. You know, I got to take care of business.
I know.
Love to go with you, but it's almost always a Saturday for testing tuning. You know what my Saturdays look like around here.
Flooded.
Somebody wants to go fishing on Sunday morning, so we're going fishing.
Is this track open on, or the drag strip, is it open on Sundays?
Sometimes, yeah. They'll have, some kind of little powder puff type stuff on Sundays where they just do a couple tests and tunes. They have kind of bracket racing and stuff. We don't care about that. We're looking to put the number up, see if we can get the car to drop into the 9s. If I can get it to hook, it'll go in the 9s, and then all the people on YouTube will be like, "Well, it's not really making 1,000; it's making 998."
Yeah, that's what they do too. You know, Barney trying to tear everything apart. Well, there y'all go, man. Y'all heard it right from the horse's mouth himself. The legendary dude Bart, High Tech Motorsport. Make sure you go to the channel. Make sure you subscribe, and don't skip the ads. Tell them, Bart.
Don't skip the ads, man. Things get really weird if you skip the ads.
Yeah, you cannot skip the ads. You got to get some of this right here. So that's called some of that Spanky Johnson, Bart.
One of us has to buy a new rod and reel.
Yeah,
at least one.
There you go. Now, yeah, but I'm cool with my little raggedy, little janky fishing pole. As long as he can reel a fish in, I'm cool. You know, but Bart the fishing man.
I'm giving him one of my spares. I bought some extra spares. They're nothing special, just some Shakespeare stuff with some nice reels on it. We're gonna set up, but we're gonna make him fish like a man. We're not gonna send him out there with that 400 test line that looks like,
Yeah, because that's why I got the braided line and all that right now
dude,
with the leader on it.
Yeah, we could tow the boat back in for Christ's sake with that stuff. So we're going to make him do something so if he gets a big fish, he's going to actually have to perform. Good practice for
real
you for
fisherman
the ocean
stuff.
and stuff like that.
But if you had the braided line, it makes it easier to pull it in, right?
Yeah, we're not going to do that. That's called not being sporting like.
I'm cool with not being sporting like.
No.
Yeah.
Time for you to learn how to be a sporting.
Ain't you notice how I do my car reviews? I don't know everything. I just go there and say what I know. Yeah, I drive a nice car.
We're going to make this work out for you. We're going to have a little fun out there.
Yeah.
Hopefully the fish cooperate. I've caught 3 of those big muskies out in the same bay that we're going to be fishing. So we'll just get out there and enjoy the sunshine. If it rains, we'll enjoy the rain. And, it's just 2 guys out fishing. And the fish cooperate and someone wants to pull you around the boat a little bit, then the answer is I'm just going to video like a crazy bastard.
Hey, we're going to be vlogging that day now, G Squad. So everybody stay tuned for that video. It's going to be this Sunday. It's going to be a legendary day, man. I can't afford the good fishing poles that Bart got. You know what I'm saying? I got to get, y'all can't skip the ads. That's why I'm poor, I'm broke. I got y'all, please don't skip the ads. I need a new fishing pole. Yeah.
Dog costs more than my boat.
Nah, that boat is expensive. I don't know, Bart. That boat might be worth more than my house. You don't think so?
You're talking about the pontoon.
The pontoon.
We're going the fishing boat. We're going the poor man's deal now.
That still might be up there though. Costs more than one of my cars.
No. You're killing me, man.
Well, there y'all go, man. Everybody stay tuned for all the future legendary videos with my guy Bart. Make sure you stop everything you're doing right now as we talking right now, as I'm speaking to y'all. Swipe out this video, go to High Tech Motorsport, and subscribe to his channel. And don't skip the what, Bart?
The ads.
Don't skip the ads, baby. Support the campaign, support the movement for people who don't try to do legendary things, man. But that's it, man. Tall Guy Car Reviews, man. We about to order up the tires. We're going to get the drag radios. Just the one big tire and the small rim, or are we going to do just the...
We're going to use your rims you got over there. I'm going to put the wider ones on, the ones they've got for Demon.
Okay, the 315s?
Yeah.
Okay, that's going to be the drag strip setup?
Yeah.
And then y'all know what comes after that, the drag strip. You know what I'm saying? And Bart gonna be with me, so we're gonna make it happen, man. Just stay tuned and in the loop. Subscribe, hit the bell. Make sure you get a notification. That way, when I post a video, y'all get the first notification. Y'all get to hop up in there, man, and see what Tall Guy doing and my guy Bart at High Tech Motorsport.
Yeah, we're gonna put your camera inside the car when we do the burnout and stuff, and
we'll
see what we can do.
A little extra GoPro setups.
Yeah, we got 2 of them. You got 1, you got 3, I got 1, you got 5, I got 1. It's that kind of.
Yeah, so if my Hellcat weak as hell, then y'all can say fully at that time. Tall Guy exposed. His Hellcat's not making 1,000 horses. Oh, life is over. What are we gonna do? You know what I'm saying? Tall Guy Car Reviews, man. Bart, say bye to him, baby.
See ya, more coffee.
There you go, man. Holla at y'all next video, baby. We out of here.